Welcome to use the S130 Mini Live Camera. Here are the button instructions. Before use, insert a TF memory card with a maximum capacity of no more than 64 GB. Press and hold the power button to turn on or off the device. The default mode for power on is camera mode. Press and hold the up button to switch to recording mode and review mode. Press and hold the down button to review and flip down. And press and hold the up button to scroll up. In review mode, press and hold the down button to delete the currently previewed video or image, and press the power button to confirm deletion. Long press the up key to return to the previous level. In the photo or video mode, short press the power button to turn on the photo or video. Press the button to enter the filter mode and switch between standard, black and white, and retro filters in a loop. Thank you for watching.